Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about four quadrant operation of chopper drives. In four quadrant DC chopper drives, a motor can be made to work in forward motoring mode, which is the first quadrant operation, forward regenerative braking mode, which is the second quadrant operation, reverse motoring mode, which is the third quadrant operation, and reverse regenerative braking mode, which is the fourth quadrant operation. So here is the circuit which can be used for four quadrant operation of a chopper drive. It has four choppers, that is CH1, CH2, CH3 and CH4, four diodes D1, D2, D3 and D4, and a separately excited DC motor. So here the positive direction of the current is like this. This is the positive direction of the current, and this is positive, and this is the positive direction of the voltage. That is the terminal. This is positive, and this point is negative. This is the positive voltage, and the direction of current will be like this. This is the positive direction of current. First of all, we will discuss about the forward motoring mode, which is the first quadrant operation. Forward motoring mode. During this mode of operation, the chopper CH2 and CH3 are in off condition. That is, CH2 and CH3 are in off condition. Here CH4 is always on, and CH2 is operated. When CH1, that is when the chopper CH1 is in on condition, here it is CH1 is operated. When CH1 is in on condition, the direction of current will be like this. That is, here the CH1 is in on condition, so the current will be flowing through this chopper, and the current will be moving like this. Here the chopper CH4 is in on condition, so the current will continue like this. The current will be flowing in this direction. So this is the direction of current. So this is when CH1 is in on condition, this is the direction of current. Here you can see that the positive terminal is connected to the positive terminal of the generator. So the voltage is positive and the current is actually in the positive direction. So that is, current will be moving in this direction. That is in this direction. So here the current and voltage are positive. So next, when the chopper CH1 is in off condition, when the chopper CH1 is in the on condition, the current which is actually flowing through the CH4 will continue to flow in this loop. That is, current will continue in this loop. In that case, this diode will be in on condition. That is, when D2, the diode D2 will be on. So this is the first quadrant operation of the chopper drive. So next is the forward regenerative braking mode, which is the second quadrant operation. That is forward regenerative braking mode. Here in this case, CH1, CH3 and CH4 are in off condition. Here CH2 is operated. That is the second quadrant operation. So remember, a DC motor can work in the regenerative braking mode only if the motor generated EMF is made to exceed the DC source voltage. So this mode of operation will happen only if the EA is greater than Vs. This voltage EA will be greater than Vs. First of all, when CH2 is in on condition, so for I will explain the condition when the chopper CH2 is in on condition. So in that case, when CH2 is in the on condition, so this is in on condition, the current will be flowing in this direction, that is in the negative direction. Here this diode is in on condition. So this is the direction of current. So here you can see that the current direction of current is reversed, that is current is negative, but the voltage is actually positive, but the current is negative. So the negative armature current rises through CH2 D4, that is this diode D4 EA. This is the EA, LA and RA. So when the chopper CH2 is turned off, when the next condition is when the chopper CH2 is turned off, when CH2 is in off condition, the current which was actually flowing through this, here you can see there is a current flowing through this will continue to flow to D4 and then to the D1, and the current will be fed back to the source. This is the direction of current when the chopper CH2 is in the off condition. So here you can see that the current is getting back to the source. So this is called a forward regenerative braking. Here you can see the current will be flowing in this direction. Current returns back to the source. So next is the reverse motoring mode. So this operating mode is opposite to forward motoring mode. And here the chopper CH1 and CH4 are in off condition. CH2 is always on, and where CH3 is operated. So this is the third quadrant operation. Here you can see that here in this mode the CH3 is operated and CH2 is always on. So you can see this is always on. So the direction of current will be like this. So here in this mode of operation, the current direction will be from here, then the CH3 is on condition. So here come here, then flowing through EA, the current will be rising through EA, LA, RA, and this chopper is always on. So it's moving here and will be moving here. So this is the direction of the current. Here you can see that the direction of current is actually reversed. So current direction is reversed. So the current is negative. In this mode, the current is negative. And you can see that this is the positive. This positive terminal is connected to the negative of the motor. That means the voltage is also reversed. So in this mode of operation, both voltage and current are negative. That is the third quadrant operation. So in this case, as the armature current is reversed, the motor torque is also reversed, and consequently the motor mode is in the third quadrant operation. That is when the CH3 is in. So the next condition is CH3 is in the off condition. When the CH3 is in the off condition, CH2 is in the off condition, what happens here is the current will be continue to rotate in this loop. Here in that case, this diode will be, so this diode will be in on condition. In that case, the current will be flowing in this direction here through this diode, and this current will continue to move in this through this diode. In that case, this diode D4 is in on condition, and the D4 and the CH2 will be in on condition. That simply means the negative current freewheels through CH2 D4. The negative current freewheels through CH2 D4, then EA, LA, and RA. So this will be moving in this loop. So in this loop. So current freewheels through this loop, and the direction is negative. So next is the reverse regenerative braking. This is the fourth quadrant operation, that is reverse regenerative braking mode. So in this mode of operation, it is possible only when the motor voltage, that is the motor generated EMF, that is EA, must be greater than source voltage. In this case, the CH1, CH2, CH3 is in off condition, and CH4 is operated. Another important thing is, in this mode of operation, it can be explained only if the terminal of this motor is reversed. In this mode, this is positive and this is negative. This is possible only if the terminals is reversed. So the polarity of the motor EMF EA must be opposite to that of the previous case. So when the CH4 is turned off, the positive armature current IA rises through. That is, when the CH4 is in on condition, the current will be moving. So that is, when the CH4 is in on condition, what happens here is current will be flowing in this direction. That is, this is EA, current will be flowing through this CH4, D2, and this. This is the direction of current. So here the current is positive. So positive the current direction is, since the current is moving in this direction, that is in this direction, the current is positive. So the positive current rises through CH4, D2, RA, LA. So CH4, so I will show you with the marker. So here, so the current will be rising through here. This current will be moving through this CH4. That is, CH4 is turned on. CH4, this D2, D2, RA, LA, and E. This is the direction of current. So next, when the CH4 is turned off, the diode D2, here the diode D2 and D4 start to conduct. So in this case, the motor acting as a generator and returns energy to the DC source. So this current which is actually flowing through this will be fed back to the source. So this is the fourth quadrant operation, fetch operation.